Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify crypto payments with Coinbase Commerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings option located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Select payments from the settings menu. Scroll down to the alternative payments section. Click on choose alternative payment. In the search bar, type Coinbase Commerce and select it from the list. A new window will open, prompting you to enter your Coinbase Commerce API key. To find your API key, head over to your Coinbase Commerce account. Log in to your Coinbase Commerce account. Once logged in, locate the settings option on the left sidebar. Under API keys, you will see your API key. Copy the API key provided. Return to your Shopify admin panel. Paste the API key into the required field. Make sure to enable the service by toggling the setting to yes. Click Add Payment Method to finalize the integration. Next, head back to your Shopify dashboard. Go to your online store settings by clicking on Online Store in the side menu. Select Themes and then click on Customize. Navigate to the checkout settings. Ensure that your checkout options reflect your new payment method. Save all changes to apply the updates. Finally, run a test transaction to confirm that crypto payments via Coinbase Commerce are working correctly. You are now ready to accept cryptocurrency payments on your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.